Good morning. Muy buenos días. Desde Oliva's Nursery Botánica. We are here from Oliva's Nursery Botánica. It is probably a few minutes past 5 in the morning. We've been awake for a bit now. Many people ask us how we became successful, and many people have a different definition of what success is. For us, success was having the time to manage your life at your pace. Success meant being available to watch your children grow and be emotionally supportive, not just financially supportive of your kids. To us, success meant living a life of authenticity, of knowing what your destiny was, what you were meant to do, and sticking to it and living that. Success also means to have discipline, to take care of yourself. So as you can see, because we love our life, we value our health, we value our customers, we value our family, we value our individual strengths. We value faith above all, and the believing in what you can possibly imagine. Because when you live a life and when you do a job that you love, you'll never work a day in your life. Waking up at 4 or 5 in the morning and going to sleep at 10 or 11, those things don't matter when you live a life that you're passionate about. To open our eyes means you've already won. You've already won the day. And then to come out here and appreciate every little plant that has grown, that has been cultivated by our hands. Wow. That really just takes me back. It blows me away. I'm so astonished at how much we've grown. How many life experiences have we gone through? Happy Thursday, February 27th. Remember, you can do anything you want to. If you believe, if you can hold on to that image, if you're not afraid of doing the work because it's not heavy on your soul, you can do anything you want. Have a blessed day, everyone.